how to fix Valorant black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just right click on Valorant, go to properties. Now once you're here, go to compatibility and then click change settings for all users. And after that you will find it like that. Click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator and click apply and OK and OK again. Now type here background apps. Once you're here, turn off background apps from the first option here, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.